I am Dr. Nanda Balaji. Today we are discuss about the topic of population inversion and Einstein coefficient, the foundation of lasers. These presentations explore the fundamental principles behind the light amplification. We will develop into core concept in quantum electronics and laser physics, discover how atomic energy states and photons interactions enable coherent light emissions. First of all, atomic energy levels and transitions. First, we know the level of atomic energy states like as discrete energy levels. Electrons reside in specific energy levels E1 and E2. E1 states ground state level, the lowest energy level where most atoms typically rest, and E2 and E3 are excited states, higher energy levels reached by absorbing energy, and transitions of energy. Atoms move between level by absorptions and population inversions. The key to lacings of definitions, the a state where the higher energy level, like as E2, has more atoms of N2 than the lower level of E1 and N1. The necessity of the population inversion crucial for achieving net stimulated emission and light amplification. Conditions of N2 is greater than N1 for the laser transition energy levels. Requirement of achieved through pumping like as optical pumping, electrical pumping and chemical pumping. Einstein's coefficients of spontaneous emissions, like as a concept of excited atoms spontaneously decaying, emitting a photon, nature of random in direction, phase, and polarization in coherent light. Coefficients of A to 1 second state to first state, probability per unit time of spontaneous E2 energy 2 state to E1 state transitions. Rate of spontaneous emissions like as calculations of equation A to 1 into N2 and Einstein's B coefficients stimulated emission. The photon absorbed atoms jumps from E1 to E2. Like as the stimulated emission B to 1, incident photon triggers excited atom to emit identical photon. And the rate of stimulated absorption like as B12 into N1, and the rate of stimulated emission B21 is equal to B21 into N2 into rho V, where rho V is radiation density. Relationship between the Einstein coefficients of thermal equilibrium, upward and downward transition rates balance, Planck's law of radiation decay density, rho v, relates to temperature, Boltzmann distributions, population ratio of N2 by N1 related to temperature, and derivations of B12 is equal to B21. It's like as stimulated absorption equal to stimulated emission. It's like as an answer of A21 divided by B21. It's equal to 8 by h mu cube divided by c cube. Application in lasers, amplification of light have a three different steps. First step has a mechanism, population inversion of N2 it's greater than N1, ensures stimulated emission exceeds absorption. And second one is result, net amplification of light gain medium, and optical resonator mirrors provide feedback, enhancing stimulated emission and coherence. The three level laser need high pump power system. And conclusions of the population inversion governed by Einstein coefficient is fundamental for coherent light generations. This has profoundly impacted field from medicine to communications, like as to the three different types of laser levels, like as mechanism, result, and optical resonator work nature. These are the population inversion methods, Einstein coefficient A and AB, calculative methodologies and derivations. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.